This is the YouTube fast food reviewer, and today we're reviewing the big hat pastrami meal from Subway. This is loads and loads of thin sliced pastrami, which is then topped, in this case, with jack cheese, and then toasted for a total of 32 seconds in Subway's toasting ovens. Let's see what's inside here. If you open it up, you can see that delicious pastrami is very fatty and meaty, and you see it's piled high. There's loads and loads of it. And then I've got some the jack cheese right there. You can see that's melted in there to kind of hold all that pastrami together there. Just more of that jack cheese. Then I chose some spinach for strength, and we got some pickles and onions and peppers, and then banana peppers right there, and olives. And this is also a wheat bread right there. You can see the toast marks from the toasting there on the bread. Let's see how it tastes. Oh. Yeah, pastrami. Sure is me. You can do it, really taste. Alright. Brown and pickle it. This is crunchy. Some of that bread. That's the bread, delicious toasting. This really holds up. And the bread as well. Alright, I'll rate Subway's big hat pastrami up. 5 stars. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. More fast food reviews. And leave a comment below. Yeah, pick them and you add me right there. Do that much, you know. Nice little bread. More pastrami.